What's up, everybody? So today we're going to replace some caps on a eVGA GeForce FX5500. As you can see, these things are bulged and leaking. There was more leakage. I just used an alcohol wipe to wipe those up. But you can see some of the leakage down there. But yeah, I'm going to recap it right now. It's not currently functioning. Hopefully throwing some new caps on will get those replaced and go ahead and fire it up. Got my fingers crossed anyway. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's what the capacitor's out. Cleaned off all the leakage just with an alcohol wipe. Here's the previous ones. You kind of see the leakage. 1000 microfarad, 16 volt. Going to be replaced with these guys. Okay, let's start installing. Alright, here's after the installation of the new caps. Turned out pretty clean. It's not too bad, not the best job I've ever done, but I clean up some of this residual stuff here. I'm going to pop it in a board and test it out next. Alrighty, got it set up in the test bench. Let's fire it up. There we go. Awesome. Just the caps replaced. Resolved that issue. Perfect. It's another card that's essentially recycled and then revived from the dead. So e-waste, no more. Good for a retro gaming machine or something.